What can a gap analysis be conducted against? Any gap analysis benchmarking against internal, client-centered, or industry standards is an option. COBIT, ISO, IEC 27001, 2013, Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies. Security Fundamentals. The NCSC, or National Cyber Security Center Cybersecurity. NIST's, National Institute of Standards and Technology Framework for Cybersecurity, CSF. PCI, Payment Card Industry. Data Security Guidelines, DSS. GDPR. What does a security gap analysis from RSK Cyber Security include? A thorough evaluation of your pertinent personnel, procedures, and technology. A professional evaluation of your information security strategy and identification of the issues that need to be addressed. A thorough, actionable analysis outlining security flaws that are focused on your own goals as well as industry-recognized standards. If needed, we can help with the filling of the gaps found for continuity and uniformity. For more updates, visit us at www.rskcybersecurity.com.